Welcome today in front of me CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the system section. Now just go to the gestures, and here you get the jump to camera option. Just to turn off this option, tap once on the switcher, and now this function will be deactivated. But if we'll turn it on, we can click quickly open camera by twice tap on the lock button. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.